Welcome back. Last time we learned what Realm of Shadows is. Today, we're going to learn the playfield and what each zone does. Understanding the field is the first step towards learning how to play. Every player has their own side of the field. Each zone has a specific purpose, and knowing where cards goes is essential. Let's look at them one by one. These are the creature zones. This is where your creatures are played, and where they'll battle your opponent. You can have up to 3 creatures on the board at the same time. This is the Spellbook Zone. Ritual and scripture cards are placed here face up when activated, and then discarded to the dead zone after resolving the effect. These are the counter zones. Counter cards can be placed here and used during a game. We'll learn exactly how counter cards work in a future lesson. Your deck is where your cards begin the game. Throughout the game, you'll draw cards from your deck and use the cards together to curate an in-game strategy. Your most powerful creatures go in your summon deck. They're called your ace cards. Bad news, they all have a condition to play. But the good news, you don't have to draw them. The summon deck can only have up to 6 cards, so make sure your main deck strategy works well with the conditions of your ace cards. Which leads me to this. When cards are destroyed, discarded, or sent from the board, they usually go to the dead zone, unless stated otherwise by a card effect. Some effects may remove cards from the game entirely. Those cards are placed in the unused removed zone. Cards here are typically much harder to recover than cards in the dead zone. These are your pillar zones. Their only purpose is to protect your life from a direct attack to keep you in the game longer. They don't have stats, and if your opponent attacks a pillar, that single pillar goes away. This is your land zone. Land cards only matter if playing with more than 2 players, and they don't get shuffled into the deck. Now you know where every card goes during a game. Next time we'll learn about life and how players win or lose a game in the Realm of Shadows. I'll see you in the next lesson.